Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You'll also need a non-stick pan and a rubber spatula. Make sure to have some butter or oil ready for cooking. These simple items are key to delicious, fluffy eggs. Now, crack your eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add the 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, along with your pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds. You want the yolks and whites to be fully combined, but don't over-whisk. A few small streaks are perfectly fine and will contribute to a great texture. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once melted, pour in the whisked egg mixture. Let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds to allow the edges to set. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. This creates those lovely, soft curds. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, stirring gently until the eggs are mostly set but still look moist. Remember, they will continue to cook slightly after being removed from the heat, so take them off just before they reach your desired consistency. Serve immediately for the best flavor and texture. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.